Hello and welcome to the Outpost RV. My name is Jeremy and today we're going to take a look at the Cherokee Gray Wolf 18RR. This camper comes in at 24 feet 1 inch and weighs about 4,800 pounds empty. As we get started up front here, we have your power tongue jack with the LED light so you can see at nighttime if you're hooking up. We have two 20-pound LP tank bottles that will be filled by the Outpost RV. We have your hard shell cover with a quick access lid, diamond plate rock guard with your curved radius front end. Up front here, you'll notice the drop frame with this oversized storage compartment door. We have the magnetic door latch, massive storage compartment here with the built-in LED light as well. Directly underneath that, we're going to have an LP quick disconnect where you can take a portable gas grill with you, tap into the gas on the camper so there's no need to take an extra tank with you. We have your power awning with the blue LED accent light. Each leg is adjustable, so if the sun's coming down, you can adjust the pitch of the awning. This camper is also equipped with electric stabilizer jacks. You'll notice the switch right here to run those up and down. We have a set in the front and a set in the back. And how that works, you hold the switch down, those legs will come down. One will hit the ground first, then the other one will engage, and they will equal out in pressure to stabilize the camper for you. We have your sturdy steps going up into the camper where each leg is adjustable if you're on different levels of ground. Oversized grab handle. We have your full-size black tempered glass door with an integrated window and a full-size screen door as well. Outside entertainment center where your speakers light up blue. We have a TV bracket here. It's the same TV bracket on the inside. So you simply lift your TV up, bring it out here and drop it in. And we have your TV connections here. Right up top here, we have a vent so you can get cross ventilation as you're traveling down the road if you're hauling anything with fumes inside. Down below, you'll notice we have the center cap popped off. These are the quick, easy loop axles. All four wheels have self-adjusting brakes and this tire pressure monitoring system. How that works, the side of this will turn red if you're low on air, so we'll unscrew that just to demonstrate here. That way you can walk around and do a visual check before you head off for your next destination. This camper is equipped with the Adventure Package, giving it a 2-inch lift and the off-road tires as well. Here's that other vent to keep those fumes vented out. We have your leash latch so the furry family members can tag along as well. And here's the other switch for those power stabilizer jacks. Moving to the back side, we have your patio system all set up here. You'll notice we have the screen porch area going around with the fence here. The camper is equipped with a nice bright LED light up top. We have a backup camera already included. There's a screen wall that will roll down to help keep the bugs out and the air in. And also in the corner over there is a moonshade. So you'll see that with pictures on our website. The moonshade is going to be a nice cover back here to help keep the sun off of you. As we make our way around, down below we're going to have a sewer hose holder underneath in the back here. Here we have your furnace vent. This camper is a 30 amp unit and it comes with a 25-foot detachable power cord. As we make our way up front, we have your outside shower with hot and cold water. That is a low pressure spray port. We have your black tank flush, so when you're done camping for the weekend, hook your water hose up and that'll clean out the black tank for you. Nice bright LED light by your water connections and dump station down below. Cable connection, so if the campground offers that, you can tap right into it. And then underneath your outside shower, we have your water fill station. On the left is your fresh water. So if you're dry camping or boondocking, you would fill up that fresh water tank, turn on the water pump and use that water. On the right-hand side, we have your city water fill. So if you're at a campground, you just simply hook your water hose up and that'll pressurize the lines for you. Down below with the dump station, we have your black handle for the black tank and the gray handle for your gray tank. Last but not least, up front here, we have your on-demand water heater. It is a tankless system, so it's gas only, but you're only using gas when you're running hot water. So about 60% more efficient than what we've used in the past. And that'll conclude our outside walkthrough of the Cherokee Gray Wolf 18RR. Now we'll take a look at the inside. As we move to the inside, you'll notice the tie-down brackets go all the way up front. We have your mattress to the right. The bathroom is directly inside. And then we have your kitchen on this side of the camper. The patio system. And as we make our way around, we're going to get started right inside the entrance door here. Up top, we're going to have this vent for your cross ventilation system. Here is going to be for your radio. You can play music off your favorite app. So you can control your Zone 1 and Zone 2 inside and outside speakers from there. Down below, we have your main control panel where you can see how full your tanks are. Turn on your water pump. your 12-volt heating pads. There are 12-volt heating pads on all of your holding tanks here. Your light switches and your awning in and out. Then we have a 110 outlet here. We have two really nice big picture windows. There is a 110 outlet in between those as well. And we're going to pan down to the floor here, and you'll notice those tie-down brackets also come all the way up in the middle. So giving you plenty of room to strap stuff down here. Here we have your dinette area. The back can pull off, and you get a nice single bed right there. There is the 110 outlet in between the windows. Up top, you'll notice we have these speakers that light up blue. Those are your interior speakers. And we have the roof-mounted AC as well. Over here in the corner, we have that moonshade. Again, with the screen wall that can roll down. We have the patio system. Really opens up the camper and gives it a nice feeling inside here. Overhead cabinets, you'll notice the extra LED lights we have up top. This thing lights up really nicely. We have the cabinets with the glass fronts, giving it a nice home feeling as well. Nice large window here in the kitchen. Extra counter space off to the left-hand side and two more 110 outlets there. Down below here, we get a storage drawer. And at the very bottom, you're going to get this other drawer that has a built-in trash can as well. So a really nice feature by Grey Wolf there. With the sink, we get this nice large farmhouse-style kitchen sink. It's going to come equipped with this cutting board attachment and this drying rack as well. And as we remove those, you'll notice we have this nice large sink. Up in the corner, we have a cup rinsing station. You simply take your cup, turn it upside down, push down on it, and that will rinse out the cup for you. We have your high-rise faucet with the pull-out sprayer. Storage underneath the sink as well. And moving over to the right, we have your furnace at the very bottom. And then we have your microwave, which is actually a 3-in-1. It is a microwave, a convection oven, and an air fryer as well. So another nice feature here. We have your 3-burner stove with the glass top, so you can utilize that as prep space if you are not cooking. Underneath the refrigerator, we have your breakers and fuses. We have a heat duct down there. And the red key is a 12-volt cutoff switch. So you can kill all 12-volt power to the battery. That way if the camper is not in use, it won't drain your battery. There is 200 watts of solar already mounted on the roof as well. Here we have your 12-volt refrigerator. The 12-volt refrigerators are nice. They are more efficient than the gas electric. And they cool down much quicker. They are also deeper because they don't need the same ventilation as the gas ones did. So plenty of room for ice cream up there in the freezer. Here we have a built-in pantry, which is fantastic. Pantries always go over well. And as you can see, that goes all the way down to the floor, giving you lots of storage inside. Making our way up front, we have a spot to hang your TV. Actually, right before that, we have your thermostat for the furnace. And then we have your TV bracket on the inside. Again, that's the same one on the outside as well. And then we have your TV connections up top there. Moving into the bathroom. Right inside, we're going to have the toilet. And then, of course, we have some storage underneath right beside that. Lots of counter space up top here. Nice large sink as well. Up above the faucet, you get a light switch. Your digital thermostat for the on-demand water heater where you can turn it on and off and control the temperature of it. And a 110 outlet. And then we have your medicine cabinet here. Up above, we have this nice large exhaust fan that is a multi-speed exhaust fan. And then in the shower area, you're going to get a skylight up above. We have the shower curtain that you can pull across. And then, of course, the shower surround with the built-in shelves as well. Down below, you'll notice we have this nice rectangle shower pan, giving you plenty of room on the inside here. And now we'll make our way up to the bedroom area. Over here at the foot of the bed, you have like a built-in nightstand here. Here we have your 110 outlet that also has a built-in inverter. So as you're traveling down the road, you can pull over and turn that on, even if you only have 12-volt power, and have power to that outlet. We have hanging storage over here. On the right-hand side, you'll notice the TV backer sticker. There is a location to hang a TV here. And then we have the connections up top. We also have a curtain that you can pull straight across here. And then overhead storage cabinets. And those have doors on them, so you can utilize it as storage while traveling down the road. And we have your RV King mattress. There is a cubby hole over here as well with a shelf. And the bedding is included. Over on the other side, up by the head of the bed, you also get a window up there. And that will conclude our walkthrough of the Cherokee Gray Wolf 18RR. I really appreciate you guys watching. If you have any questions, feel free to contact myself or Henry at 866-338-9845. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.